Hey y'all, N4HNH here with a quick tip for you Kenwood TS-890S owners. You hear that high-pitched squeal? That heterodyne? That's two frequencies beating against one another, and then that results in two more frequencies, and in this case it's one that falls within the human hearing range. It's kind of high-pitched. So some radios have what's called an auto-notch, some have a digital notch filter, DNF. Kenwood calls theirs a beat canceller, and the button is right here. BC, and they have two, BC1, BC2. BC1 is supposed to work against weaker continuous beats or heterodynes. BC2 is supposed to work against intermittent ones or even blocking out a CW signal. All right, I'm going to go to BC1, look below the S meter. Helped a little. BC2 knocked it out, so use the one that works. Hey, there are many more videos, tutorial videos about this rig on my Patreon, patreon.com/N4HNH, available for S9 VIP members.